This humble pav is one of the best breads ever. People have been asking for this recipe since my first video went viral, the vada pav. The moment is finally here. Start by adding a small quantity of flour, water and milk into a pan of your choice. Mix it on low heat till it thickens into a slimy blob. This is called the Tangzhong paste, which helps in achieving a softer bread. Separately add the flour, sugar, milk powder, salt, the Tangzhong and warm milk mixed with yeast. All measurements in the caption. Always use a weighing scale to measure things. They are cheap, easy to use and extremely accurate. Mix everything with a spatula till you get annoyed, at which point clean your workbench and start kneading however you like. Go back and forward and back, one lazy hand, full on rage monster, or be smart like me and use a machine. But let's stick to hands for now. As the dough comes together, knead in some room temperature butter and stop kneading once the dough stretches enough for light to pass through it, also known as the window pane test. Shape it like a ball, oil it up nicely and cover it in a bowl to rest and proof in a nice warm place till more than doubled in size like this. Turn out the dough and divide it into 9 equal pieces using a weighing scale or magic. Tuck them up into tight little balls, place in a buttered 9-inch baking pan, cover and proof again till they start touching each other. Such a cute doughy family. And I'll be eating all of them. Brush them lightly with milk wash, sprinkle some sea salt and bake them in a preheated 175-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Until they look like the best pav you have ever seen. Immediately brush them with butter so they stay rich and moist throughout. These turn out soft, decadent, good looking and most importantly, homemade. They work amazing as a vada pav, can be toasted with some pav bhaji, a masala pav or several other combinations. But my favorite is with some fine chopped garlic into the butter that you spread over them and enjoy these garlic butter buns by themselves. And that is why